Hi there, students. To relinquish. To relinquish means to give over possession or control of something. We particularly use this meaning that you don't really feel very good about it, and you do it reluctantly, and very often as well. To relinquish power, to relinquish control, to relinquish a right. You could relinquish your citizenship or nationality. Relinquish a title or the right to do something. Yeah, so it's to give it up, to abandon it, to say, okay, I'm not going to have it anymore, to withdraw, if you like. Okay, so he relinquished control of the company. The dictator will never relinquish power. He will be in power until he dies. The bosses are very reluctant to relinquish any responsibilities that are theirs. They've got to keep on doing it. He relinquished his claim to the throne. Yeah. Notice as well, we can use this verb to relinquish means to stop holding something or keeping it. So he relinquished his grip on the rail. Yeah, he let it go. The teacher told the kid to give the teacher whatever was in the hand, and the kid reluctantly relinquished it, reluctantly let it go. So there's this nuance that you regret giving it over. You don't really want to do it. Okay, so to relinquish, to give up or abandon a claim or a possession. Maybe you could relinquish a belief as well, or even maybe a profession or something that you intend to do. He relinquished the ambition of becoming the first runner to run 100 meters in 8 seconds. I was going to say 100 kilometers in 8 seconds. That would be something. Okay, the country relinquished the island as a result of the treaty. Yeah, so to renounce or surrender possession of something, particularly rights or claims, to put something aside. He relinquished his belief, and then to let go of something. He was holding it tightly, and then he relinquished it. Yeah, it's like to give something up to someone, give something over to someone. Yeah, to release it. Or maybe to relinquish your rights, to waive your rights, to forego your rights. To relinquish your belief, to renounce, something like that. To relinquish, give up, release, resign, desert, yield, hand over, surrender. The army relinquished the territory that they had gained in the previous attack. I guess if a king abdicates, he relinquishes power. It seems like the American president was very reluctant to relinquish power to the new president. Yeah, to relinquish control. Okay, so to relinquish, a regular verb. He relinquished possession. The British have relinquished control over India. Well, I think relinquished, present perfect. Maybe it's important now. No, not really at all. Okay, so to relinquish something that's incompatible. He relinquished his hopes of getting this done. Abandoned in that case. So, how formal is to relinquish? I think I'd probably give it a 6. I think you could use it in a formal conversation. Maybe hand over, give up, something like that. Give something up to somebody. It's a different meaning. I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. I think it's on the more formal and literary side, but you could use it just about anywhere, so it's nice and flexible. As to origin, this comes from Latin, from relinquere, which is linquere, to leave. Yeah, to leave. So that's good. Okay, so to relinquish a title, a right, a piece of land, a citizenship, something that you own, something that you don't want to give back. The bank repossessed his house and he was forced to relinquish it, even though he didn't want to. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To relinquish.